Please start recording. Yeah, Ajay has started. Thank you, Ajay. Good evening, everyone, and good morning, Ajay and Janet. Yeah, today I have been allocated a very good chapter, work. Can you guys tell me what is work? How can we define work
Force into displacement.
according to the physics law? Right. Okay, let me give an example.
Whatever we are doing, that's called work.
Force into
Whatever we
displacement.
are doing, that's called work.
Okay. Please let me answer the question of Sakti. That force into displacement is what? If one person take an auto rickshaw, went to the market, purchased some vegetable, and on the same auto he returned back to home, and when he was asked for fare, he replied that no, you don't have work for me, so I'm not going to pay you because I have no displacement. What will you do? Will you not pay the auto driver?
Yeah, definitely I will go to pay. But there
You
is
don't
a
have any
outcome,
displacement.
right? But there is an outcome. I went there
What
and
outcome?
I bought my things and that I went to shop and then I again returned back.
You told me that force into displacement. Force you have tried, energy you applied, but your displacement is zero. So force, whatever you applied into zero is zero. So you don't have any work done, so you will not pay the driver. The driver, if the driver has studied physics, then he has the answer. He may tell that I have not worked for you, but I have worked against the air. I have worked against the friction of road, and the distance you travel is from your home to market plus from market to home. So you have to pay twice the fare, right? So this is work. Whenever guys we work for some organization or for ourselves, suppose I'm teaching some students, and at the same time I'm preparing for some. Okay. Yeah, I was getting a call, that's why I muted. So if I have negative mindset that no, if I teach my students, this will consume my lot of time. It won't be going to benefit me in my preparation. Then I will not teach. But I have settled my mind that no, it is going to help me. My practice is taking time, but yeah, I have some practice when I teach my students. So I have the mindset in a similar way. If we work for some organization, and sometimes people get stressed that I am not happy with the work, I am not happy with the boss, I hate my boss, such type of negative things, or we can say defensive ideas are not very good for the success of life. I want to tell one example. In the book, the writer has written that one of his friend was not happy with his position in the company. He wanted change. But his boss was not. Yeah. I will wrap. He wanted change, but his boss do not want to let him go. So in stress, he resigned. He resigned in such a manner that his boss was not happy with him. In future, if he having some time that he will have to return back to the company, will that boss accept him? I don't think so. Boss will not going to help him anymore if one person resigned in this way, making angry to the boss. I would like to say only one thing, guys. If we work for anyone, for any organization, we must give our 110% so that each and everyone can be happy and the project or work assigned to us can be done
Completed,
properly.
Hira.
Thank you, guys.
5 minutes.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Hira, for sharing your learnings of the chapter, and you shared it very well in our form that you talked about the work and the examples. And the starting was so good. You have given a very good example. Overall, a very impressive job. So thank you. And now I would like to call our next speaker for the day, and who is Janet. So let's welcome Janet on stage. Welcome, Janet.
Hello, everyone. Let's see. My chapter is chapter 12 on success. And I thought I would tell you my